Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, pink color, red color, dark blue color, violet color, green color, olive color, black color, brown color, gray color, yellow color, lime color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for cherry. D for duck. E for egg. F for fox. G for gun. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jar. K for kingfisher. L for lychee. M for monkey. N for nail. O for olive. P for pencil. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for star. T for train. U for universe. V for vanilla. W for water. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.